To link cards, I'm using this board that has a lot of cards that are already linked to each other so that I can show you many examples. But first, I created this new card called New Card to Link, and I'm going to show you how to create links. So open the card, go to the Links tab, and at this point, there's two ways to link. You can link to a card in Kanban Zone, or you could link to something external to Kanban Zone. I will show you both. First, linking to a card in Kanban Zone. You can link to a card on the current board or on any board that you have access in this organization. I'm going to stick to current board. I'm going to just look for a card. This one sounds great. It says it's a predecessor card, so I'm going to select it. Now, this would say whatever the card name is. This is to help me with linking my cards. Here, it will show you the 4 types of cards. So as you can see, you can have a parent-child relationship, which we see as a vertical, right? A parent followed by a child. Or you can have a predecessor-successor relationship, which is a horizontal, where there's a card to the left and a card to the right. So in this case, since it says it's a predecessor card, I will link this as a predecessor, and boom, the card is right here as a predecessor. If I were to look at another card, for example, a child card, and again, it doesn't have to say the name child card, it's just the way I named them on this board. I'm going to click link to a child, and now I have another card that's linked to a child. Now, I can keep going, but I want to show you existing cards to show you how all this works. So this one has 2 links, one to a child, because it goes down, and one to a predecessor, because it goes left. Now, keep an eye on the colors. Why is this orange? Well, because the child card that's related to this one is the one right here, and it is in a buffer column, which means it is orange. So that's why we're showing you orange here. Same thing here with the blue card that's a predecessor, right? So the predecessor looks with a blue color because its predecessor is right now in what we call a to-do column, which is one of these right here. So it's one of these right here, to-do column. So when you look at this, you can go crazy and create a card with multiple children. So this one has a lot of children, right? So this one is a parent card with many, many children, and all of them are in different states. This one also shows you what an external links look like. So in this case, it's a link to HubSpot. So this is the URL in HubSpot. So you go here, you type a URL, you can give it a title, and when you add as an external link, you can still decide what kind of relationship it is. So this one is a HubSpot, it is a child, and it is external because I'm looking at my links based on the source or the boards. If I look at them in terms of column states, then now they're grouped by all the column states, which are very important when you look at links. And if I look at them by link type, well, then it would show me all my children. And in this case, all the links here are children to this card. If I go to another card right here, this is a card that only has external links. So this one has links to Trello, to Atlassian, to Bitbucket, to HubSpot, to Salesforce. And this one is just to illustrate that you can link externally to many sources. And lastly, this is the one that has all the link types. So this one has all the link types: children, parents, successor, predecessor. And as you can see, there's a combination of external links and internal links.